Hello, I'm going to show you how to average the grades correctly using the It's Learning gradebook. So there are a few changes that you'll need to do in order to make this work. You'll first need to go to follow-up and reports in your course. So I'm using Josh's course as the example. You will need to select gradebook. And then once in the gradebook, go to the gear and gradebook settings. The portion that is not averaging correctly is going to be the average. So we are going to hide that for the students. So if we click no on those, then we can click save, and the gradebook will hide that particular average from the students because it is calculating incorrectly. And then we're back at the gradebook here. And as you can see, there's no average listed there. So what we're going to do is add what is known as an assessment summary. So you need to click on the assessment summary tab, and we are going to add a calculation. I'm going to just title it Q1 for quarter one. And you can put a description if you want. We want all of the categories that are already loaded in to be averaged in this. And then we're going to select the term quarter one. And then at the very bottom, especially if you give extra credit, you need to select that it can't exceed 100. We'll use decimal values. These other two you can highlight because there'll be future uses for it that we'll talk about later. And then click save. And then what it'll do is it will average all of them. And it does take a minute for it to calculate. I find that if you want it to speed up, you can change the tab and go back, and they are calculated there. So these averages are the true averages for the students for the quarter. So it is taking your content and grading it off of total points, not off of percents. And then when the students log in, have them go to their gradebook, they will see both of these tabs. So they'll see the assessment tab, which will have all of their scores, and then they need to click on the assessment summary tab, and it'll show their quarter one score.